Good day, learning buddies. And now I am going to discuss the consumer behavior as a multidimensional in nature, and it is influenced by the following subject. The first one is psychology. Psychology is a discipline that deals with the study of mind and behavior. It helps in understanding individuals and groups. When individuals form groups, their actions are sometimes relatively different from the actions of those individuals when they are operating individually. So, in short, psychology is a study about how our thoughts, beliefs, feelings, and perception influence how we buy and interact with the products and services. So, it also opens the question on how the psychology affects the consumer behavior. So, it affects in a way that it allows us to investigate or look into how the decision making process, social persuasion, and motivational plays an important role in why people buy certain goods and not others. So, let's see, for example, when we decided to buy a beauty products, we tend to spend a long time checking and going to the different shops and comparing another products. The second one is the social psychology. Social psychology is a combination of sociology and psychology. It explains how individual operates a group. Group dynamics plays an important role in purchasing decision. Opinion of peers, reference groups and their families, and opinion leaders influence individuals in their behavior. So this means that when we are buying certain products, it is based on the attitude, beliefs, or behavior that are modified by the presence or action of the other individual or in a group of individuals. So the best example of this is the advertisement. We all know that the foremost purpose of advertisement provides communication and favorable information about the product to the potential buyers. The next one is the cultural anthropology. Cultural anthropology is the study of human beings in the society. It explores the development of central beliefs, values, and custom that individuals inherit from their parents, which influence their purchasing patterns. In addition, it also comprises a set of values o ang mga pamantayan sa paghuhusga kung ano ang tama at mali, and the ideologies of particular community or group of individuals. So the best example of this is the parents' opinion. We all know that parents' opinion was the highest in the family with regards to the purchasing pattern, by which it creates a question about the product. If it is belongs to the personal use products or family use product or durable budget friendly product. This question greatly influences the children in a way that enables them to know the essence of decision making in purchasing as well as save in saving money. The last one is the economics. Economics is concerned with the consumer behavior, the behavior that people seek to acquire goods and services that will satisfy their needs and wants. In short, it talks about the level of income, the sales in the market, and the financial position of the consumer on how much he or she spend on purchasing goods and services. And now we will move on to the next slide, which is entitled the psychological core. So according to Clutrack, human psychology is a major determinant of consumer behavior. These factors are difficult to measure but are powerful enough to influence a buying decision. Indeed, psychological core plays an vital role in the consumer behavior very strongly due to the fact that it helps us to understand the steps to go through when we are deciding whether and what to buy. And according to Oxford, the psychological core is the central, internal, and consistent part of an individual's personality. It includes an individual's self concept, basic values, attitudes, and motives, a person's true self. So there are four psychological factors that influences consumer behavior. First is motivation, second is perception, next is learning, and lastly is the attitude. And these four factors will be further and widely discussed by the next reporters. But before we proceed to the next reporter, let me ask a question. Why do we like to purchase this kind of products and services?